What are they doing?
How much a single drop of water would cost one day if we continue wasting water like this? But
Don't take tension. There is much water in the world. Don't take tension. There, sir is in the class. We shall go to the class.
you are not understanding the situation and concern of the water conversation. Let's see what the world takes us.
Let's go. We waste water like an endless. But what would happen if it's gone?
We need to act before it's too late.
But how do small things matter?
Imagine forests without water, cities dying. It's serious.
If we can add some small changes, that we can really make a huge difference.
Is it really so important?
Turning off the tap while brushing, using less water. It all helps.
And spread the word. Awareness is the key.
Support local projects, join cleanup drives. Every bit counts.
Remember to save water whenever you see water wastage.
Small things seem insignificant, but when brought together, they create a huge change.
Even small steps can lead to a big result.
Maybe I should start thinking more mindful.
I see now. Small things matter.
Ripples of change start small but can make a huge impact.
Just like these flower flyers, small actions that spread awareness.
Even teeny action can grow and make a difference.
If we all contribute, our collective effort can create a significant effort.